ಹಲೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಂ.ಕಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 6 ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲದರದ ಅನುಕೂಲತೆ, ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್, ಅನಾನುಕೂಲತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್, ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ, ಅವುಗಳ ಕೀ ಉತ್ತರಗಳೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದರ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ 6 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಉತ್ತರ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದನೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ನ ಅನುಕೂಲತೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅನಾನುಕೂಲತೆಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, often cheaper than traditional method, providing higher return on investment for small businesses and large enterprises. Targeted reach, ability to reach specific demographics based on interests, location, and behavior. Global access, expands market reach beyond geographical limitation. Measurable results, analytics tools make it easy to track performance, uh, conversion, and return on investment in real time. Flexibility and speed, campaigns can be adjusted instantly, ads can be paused or modified quickly. Improved engagement, facilitates direct communication with the consumers via social media, email, and chatbots. Disadvantages of online marketing, high competition, global access means competing with business worldwide. Technical skills required, requires expertise in SEO, data analytics, and various digital tools. Security and privacy risk, vulnerable to data breaches, ad fraud, and privacy concerns. Time consuming, developing, managing, and monitoring campaigns in labor intensive. Negative feedback, public forums allow negative reviews or complaints to harm brand reputation quickly. Ad fatigue, consumers are bombarded with ads leading to banner blindness or ad blocking. Second question from the online marketing is problems and issues. So problems and issues of online marketing: intense competition and saturation. The low barriers to entry means the digital space is crowded, making it difficult for brands to stand out. Constant algorithm changes. Platforms like Google and Facebook frequently updates their algorithms, which can suddenly degrade content or add performance. Data security and privacy concerns. Increasing regulations and public cautions regarding data usage make targeting difficult. Rising costs and return on investment measurement. The cost of digital advertising is rising, while accurately measuring return on investment across various channels remain a hurdle. Ad fatigue and blindness. Users often ignore online ads, ad blocks, reducing the effectiveness of traditional banner ads. Technical skills requirement. Effective online marketing requires a specialized, up to date knowledge of tools, analytics, and platform specific strategies. Handle Handling negative feedback. Negative reviews and comments can spread quickly, requiring constant activity. Reputation management. Lack of personalization, human context. The inability to offer physical face to face interaction can hinder trust building for certain products. Next question, explain direct marketing advantages and disadvantages. First, we will discuss advantages of direct marketing. High targeting precisions, enable specific tailored messages to be sent to particular high potential consumers groups based on demographics or buying behavior. Measurable results, campaigns can be tracked directly through specific coupons code and landing pages or response rates, making it easy to determine return on investment. Personalization, allow for tailored uh, individualized communication that builds a stronger customer relationship and a loyalty. Cost effective, especially with the diagram platforms, it can more budget friendly than mass media, allowing smaller business to reach audience effectively. Flexibility and speed, campaigns can be launched quickly and adopted or tested on a small scale before larger, more expensive rollout. Increased sale, customer action provides a clear call to action, making it easier for customers to purchase, boosting conversion rates. Disadvantages of direct marketing: intrusive, annoying, often viewed as unwanted junk mail or spam, which can result in a negative brand perception. Low response rates. Despite targeting, direct marketing typically sees low response rates, often falling between 1 to 3%. Data quality dependence. Success relies heavily on having accurate, updated customer database. Outdated data leads to waste, efforts, and costs. High cost. While some methods are cheap, high quality direct email or intensive telemarketing can be expensive both in money and time. Legal and privacy constraints. Strict data protection laws requires careful management to avoid legal issues and reputation damages. Environmental impact. Physical direct mail is often associated with high paper usage, which can affect a company's environmental footprint. Next question: explain problems and issues of direct marketing. Intrusiveness and irritation. Many consumers consider direct marketing, such as unsolicited telemarketing calls and spam mails, to be annoying and intrusive, which can harm a brand reputation. Data privacy and ethical concerns. The reliance on consumer data collection poses significant risk regarding privacy breaches and regulatory non-compliance. High cost and resource intensity. While potentially high return on investment, direct marketing requires a significant investment in data, mailing, and personal, often leading to high cost if not targeted correctly. Low response rate and saturations. Consumers are overloaded with marketing, often leading to low engagement rates. Environmental impact. Traditional direct mail campaigns create significant physical waste, which can lead to negative brand perceptions. Targeting inaccuracy. The effectiveness of campaign depends heavily on the accuracy of data lists. Poor data leads to waste efforts on uninterested audience. Next question: explain mobile marketing advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of mobile marketing: constant access and high reach. Reaches users instantly on a devices they use most often. Hyper targeting and personalization enables location based demographic and behavioral targeting for tailored relevant messaging. Cost effectiveness, generally cheaper than traditional, making it accessible for smaller budgets. Real time engagement, it facilitates immediate interaction through SMS, push notification, and app notifications. Improved conversation and tracking, drives fast impulsive purchases with easily measurable data for tracking return on investment. Viral potential, content is easily shared across social platforms. Disadvantages of mobile marketing: limited screen space, requires highly considered concise content, complex designs to do not work. Intrusiveness and ad fatigue. Frequent notification can frustrate users, leading to high opt-out rates. Privacy and security issues. Stagnant data protection regulations and security risk for user data. Technical constraints and device fragmentations. Challenges in making content work across thousands of different devices, screen sizes, and operating systems. Low attention span. Fast consumption habits means ads have only a split second to make an impression. High risk of failure. Poorly executed hidden errors or annoying campaigns can go viral negatively. Explain problems and issues of mobile marketing, data privacy, and regulatory compliance. Strict regulations make handling personal data complex, with 87% of consumers avoiding brands with poor security practices. Intrusiveness and user experience. Too many push notifications can lead to app deletion, with ads often perceived as spam. High competition and saturations. The app marketplace is saturated, making it difficult to stand out. Technical constraints. Designing for various screen sizes, operating systems, and navigation challenges often results in poor user experience, ad fatigue, and blockers. Consumers are overwhelmed by ads, often using ad blockers, reducing campaign effectiveness. High cost and resource intensity. Developing, maintaining, and updating mobile apps requires significant ongoing financial investments. Measurement challenges. Determining accurate return on investment and tracking user journeys across devices in complex. Low retention rates. Even if users download an app, keeping them engaged is difficult. Next question is explain advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce marketing. Advantages of e-commerce marketing: global reach, 24 bar 7 availability. Stores are accessible worldwide 24 bar 7, removing geographical and time restrictions. Reduced operational cost. Eliminates expenses for physical storefronts such as rent, in-person staff, lowering entry barriers. Targeted marketing and data analytics. Marketers can use customer data for precise targeting, retargeting, and measuring campaign return on investment. Increase customer convenience. Feature like a personalized recommendations, quick search, and easy payment methods improve user experience. Rapid scaling. Digital platforms allow for faster expansion and product listing updated compared to physical stores. Disadvantages of e-commerce marketing: high competition and customer acquisition cost. The low barriers to entry means high competition and leading to expensive digital advertising. Security and privacy concerns. Risk of cyber attacks, data breaches, and payment fraud can damage brand reputation and trust. Technical issues and downtime. Website crashes, glitches can lead to immediate significant loss of sale and consumer frustration. Lack of physical touch and experience. Customers cannot inspect, try, or feel products, leading to higher return rates. Dependency on logistics. Success relies heavily on fast shipping, efficient inventory management, and reliable third party delivery services. Next question is explain problems and issues of e-commerce marketing. Intensive competition and visibility, with low barriers to entry, standing out in difficult, attracting the right high intent high intent traffic rather than just volume is a major challenge. High customer acquisition cost. Relying on paid ads like Facebook or Google often result in or blocked by wasted ad spend if not targeted properly. Low conversion and cart abandonment. Over 59 to 79% of users abandon carts due to unexpected shipping costs, complicated checkouts, or lack of trust. Customer trust and security. Concerns about data privacy, fraudulent activities, and the inability to touch the feel products create hesitations. Technical and operational constraints. Website downtime, slow load times, and complex, costly, slow logistics shipping ruin the user experience. Personalization and retention. Failing to often personalize the shopping experience leads to lower engagement, while a lack of loyalty programs make customer retention difficult. Explain advantages and disadvantages of social media marketing. Advantages of social media marketing: increased brand visibility and awareness. With over 5 million users, platform often massive reach to potential customers. Targeted advertising and segmentation allow highly specific audience targeting based on demographic and interest and behavior. Cost effective, often cheaper than traditional advertising with options for free organic content creation. Enhanced customer engagement enables real-time interaction, building loyalty and community through comments and messages and mentions. Improved insights provides direct access to customer feedback, sentiments, and competitors monitoring. Increased website tariffs traffic. It drives user to company websites through shared links and content. Disadvantages of social media marketing: time consuming and resource intensive, required consistent effort, content creation and monitoring. Negative feedback and reputation risk: public complaints can damage brand reputation quickly. Algorithm changes and reduces organic reach. Dependence on platform algorithm changes can suddenly reduce content visibility. Difficulty measuring return on investment. It can be hard to quantify the direct financial return on investment. Privacy and security concerns. Potential for security breaches and data privacy issues. Need for constant creativity. Content must be regularly updated to avoid ad fatigue and maintain engagement. Next question is explain problems and issues of social media marketing. Algorithm changes and low visibility. Algorithm constantly changes, making it hard to maintain organic reach. Proving Providing return on investment. Measuring the true business value and return on investment remains a major hurdle. Time and resource intensity. Managing multiple platforms requires a significant time, staff, and content creation, often exhausting limited resources. Negative feedback and crisis management. Negative comments can quickly go viral, requiring rapid strategic damage control to prevent reputation damage. High competition and oversaturation. Standing out among millions of users can competitors it increasingly difficult. Trend fatigue and strategy formulation. Keeping up with the fast moving trends and developing a cohesive multi-platform strategy is difficult. Inconsistent brand values, misalignment between brand messaging and target audience expectations. So these are the important questions related to advantages and disadvantages, problems and issues of six markets. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇವಿಷ್ಟು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀವು ಓದೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ನಮ್ದು ಆಪ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.